I am Paul George. I'm the Quality Assurance Manager at the Birdseye factory in Lowestoft. So we've been producing frozen food here since 1939. Currently, we're producing approximately 130,000 tonnes. And on this site, we have 4 separate manufacturing facilities. My time at Birdseye in the QA role has been about 15 years, but our relationship with LRQA predates that. It goes back about 20 years. So we chose to use the BRCGS standard for food, having separated several years ago from a parent company, Unilever. On leaving, we were left without an external accreditation, and we felt that although that was not required, because we are a branded manufacturer, it would be very healthy to take an external perspective on our quality standards. We knew BRCGS was globally recognized, and we knew it had very detailed clauses, and we felt it would be a very good benchmark for us. Initially with BRCGS audits, we started with an announced system. So we treated the site as one entity and had a single announced audit. That is stringent, but what it tends to do is drive a cycle of preparation. So moving to unannounced brings a new challenge. You have to be in ideal conditions constantly, and it means those systems need to adapt from being annual cycles into being continuous. So after several years of unannounced audits, we found it's really lifted our standards. It's made us go from good to better. It's had a significant improvement in terms of things like consumer complaints and product incidents. We find those numbers reducing. All these things have been driven by the unannounced cycle and the behaviours and the culture that develops. Auditing to this standard with LRQA has really helped in giving us a global and a much wider perspective. So auditors from LRQA bring with them knowledge of the industry as a whole, and with that knowledge comes experience. And with that experience can come guidance for us, which has really helped us in understanding what best practices in the food industry, how we can continually improve, how we can adapt, and how we can modify our systems. So as Birdseye, the leading branded frozen food manufacturer, it's all for us about continuous improvement and development. And together with BRCGS as a standard and LRQA as an auditing body, we look very much forward to developing this in the future and continuing our improvement journey.